The need for blood is constant, and sometimes that need becomes critical. From accident victims and cancer patients to premature babies and those with blood disorders, hospital patients rely on all of us to make sure that blood is on the shelves and ready to help. Diversity in the blood supply is also critical because it helps people with diseases like sickle cell, the most common blood disease in the U.S. These patients need compatible blood matches, which mostly come from people of the same race or ethnic background to avoid complications such as organ damage, severe pain, and strokes. Hi, my name is Valerie Bay, and I'm a board member of the Heart of Gold Sickle Cell Foundation of Northern Virginia. This year we have partnered with the Red Cross and the McLean Community Center to hold several blood drives to support the needs of patients and hospitals. Check out upcoming dates on your screen and register for a blood drive. You can also register by visiting redcrossblood.org. Thank you.